This is one of the available headlight switches for your vehicle. If your vehicle is equipped with a different headlight switch, see your owner's manual for additional information. The headlight switch is located on the lever to the left of the steering column. The daytime running lights illuminate with the vehicle on and the parking brake released. If the parking brake is applied before the vehicle is started, the daytime running lights do not illuminate. However, they will illuminate once the parking brake is released. To turn on your front parking lights, tail lights, license plate light, and instrument panel lights, turn the headlight switch to this position. To turn on the front headlights, turn the switch to this position. All the other lights will stay on. To turn on your high beam headlights, push this lever forward. You'll see a blue indicator light illuminate. Push it forward again to return to low beam. The blue indicator light will turn off. To make your high beam headlights flash on and off, pull the lever toward you and release it. Your vehicle is equipped with the intelligent auto headlight system. You can preset the headlights to automatically operate based on exterior lighting conditions. The headlights will also turn on automatically if the windshield wipers are operated continuously. To activate this system, simply turn the headlight switch to the auto position, then turn on the vehicle. To turn the system off, turn the headlight switch to any other setting. The system will also keep the headlights on for a period of time after you turn the vehicle off and close all doors. There is a sensor that controls the intelligent auto headlight system either on the top of the instrument panel or on the rearview mirror. Keep these areas clear of papers and other material. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.